Ang kailangan mong malaman bago ka bumili ng monitor. And let me explain to you in 60 seconds. First, resolution. 1080p is basic, good for everyday use. 1440p, mas malinaw at sharper details. Pero kung gusto mo na magandang clarity, go for 4K. Make sure na kaya ng GPU mo kasi demanding yan sa graphics. Next is refresh rate. 60Hz and 75Hz, it's okay. Pero once you go above 144Hz, mas smoother ang gameplay at less lag. Then, response time. The lower, the better. 1 millisecond means crisp motion at less blur sa mga fast-paced games. Now, let's talk about panel. IPS panel. Kung ikaw yung tipong tao na gusto ng color accuracy and vibrant visual, ito ang para sa'yo. TN panel, ito naman ay para sa mga competitive gamers. Itong panel na to ang may fastest response time at lowest input lag. Pero tandaan, medyo wash out ang colors nito compared sa IPS. VA panel, ito ang choice ng mga movie lovers o casual gamers. Combination ito ng IPS panel at TN panel. Hindi nga lang siya kasing ganda ng quality ng IPS at kasing bilis ni TN. Kumbaga nasa gitna lang siya, perfect for everyday gaming and entertainment. Bonus tip! Kung ikaw naka-AMD graphics card, hanapin mo to. Kung Nvidia naman, hanapin mo to para mas ma-improve pa ang visual quality ng monitor mo. Ikaw, anong monitor ang pipiliin mo? Kaya naman,